So you're hosting a party and want to serve a festive international appetizer. Well, problem solved, because this crab ceviche on a tostada is the perfect dish to serve. You would want to start by putting the crab meat into a bowl. Drizzle it with canola oil and mix until well coated. Now add in the red onion, tomatoes, cilantro, and jalapeno pepper. Toss the ingredients together before pouring in the lime juice. Season with salt and ground black pepper to taste and adjust accordingly. Afterwards, let the ceviche chill for at least an hour to make sure the flavors are mixed well. Once chilled, place it on tostadas and top with a slice of avocado. Now it's ready to serve with lime wedges and a garnish of chopped parsley. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.